Aries, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH at ito ang inyong energy update ngayong July 16 to 31, 2024, second half ng July. Ayan, so let's see anong energies for you. And if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Pakicheck nyo na lang kung paano mag-book for a private reading. Let's see, Aries. Energy update, second half ng July. What's coming to you? South Node. Oh, energy ng past. Or anything to do with your past. Pwedeng meron kang ilo-let go from your past. Dahil ito ay energetically connected pa rin sa'yo. Hindi ka pa nakaka-move on. Or maaring meron kang aalalahanin from your past na makakatulong sa future mo. Uy, second house. Your resources. Okay, so for some of you, Aries, maaring meron kayong dating pinagkakitaan, trabaho, business, or career na pwedeng i-consider nyo na subukan ulit, no? I-try ulit. Bawa, dati yung work, dati yung business, dati yung sideline. You also have Uranus, change. Wow. So, change is for the better, no? Maaring merong pwedeng unexpected change ito. I feel like yung ibang mga missed opportunities ninyo in the past ay babalik sa inyo, no? Para subukan nyo ulit. Because why not? 'Di ba? Example, 'di ba maraming sumasali sa PBB? Yung mga shows na yan. Tapos, or any show. Tapos, iba, hindi sila nanalo, or hindi agad sila na-select for the initial screening. Tapos, nagkakaroon, the next year, meron ulit. So, susubok sila ulit. So, parang ganon. Susubok kayo ulit. Let's see, overall energy, you have the High Priestess. Oh, your instinct, your intuition is on point. I think, okay, Aries, I think ngayon, mananahimik muna kayo sa mga plano nyo, no? Hindi nyo muna ipapaalam or wala na kayong balak ipaalam sa iba yung mga plano ninyo. Dahil alam nyo na pwedeng may kokontra or nag-iingat kayo sa mga evil eyes, no? Which is good, na mag-ingat kayo sa mga ganyan. So, your challenge is the Star. This is healing from your past. And I think as a challenge, pwedeng, meron pang mga, yan no, kasi nga, South Node past. Maaring, dito mo marirealize kung kailangan mo na ba talagang mag-move on? Or naka-move on ka na ba talaga? 'Di ba? Kasi minsan hindi natin alam yun eh. Halimbawa, person from your past. Sinasabi mo na okay ka na, tapos na, naka-move on ka na. Pero, kapag narinig mo yung pangalan niya, parang, oops, may trigger, natitrigger ka pa. Oo, nagiging emotional ka pa, or nalulungkot ka. So, I think ngayon, you're finally working on it, no? Inaayos mo na yun sa sarili mo. You are healing. So, your opportunity, wow, 9 of Pentacles. Ang ganda naman as an opportunity. This is financial stability, abundance, having more than enough. Yung iba sa inyo, masaya na kayo na single kayo, masaya na kayo sa career nyo, sa trabaho nyo, or kung ano man tong pinagkakaabalahan nyo financially. So, your blessing is the 5 of Cups. Ayan, as a blessing, ito kasing 5 of Cups is about your losses. Yung mga nawala sa'yo, mga na-miss out mo, regrets. So, ngayon, masasabi mo na no regrets kasi pwedeng naka-move on ka na. And the 2 of Cups is an opportunity for you to explore new opportunities. It's an opportunity for you to explore new ideas, new paths, no? Oo. And Cups is about your feelings, your emotions. So, pwedeng whatever related to your passion o yung mga bagay na gusto mo, mahal mong gawin, or mahal mo, yun yung mas bibigyan mo na ng attention. Clarify natin to. What is the 5 of Cups? What is the 5 of Cups? The Four of Pentacles. Oh, I think as a blessing, i-let go mo na yung alam mong hindi na helpful sa'yo, hindi na makakatulong sa'yo, at ikikip mo kung ano yung sa tingin mo na makakatulong sa'yo moving forward. Especially sa career, no, sa trabaho, kung meron kang mga dinadamdam na na-miss out mo na opportunities in the past, you will move on from that kasi alam mo na meron ka pang ibang pagkakataon para, subukan ulit ang mga darating pang opportunity sa'yo. Let's see, money, career, finances. Okay, you have the Page of Pentacles. May mga pinag-aaralan ka. Diba? Endings and new beginnings. So, yung iba, it seems na kung kayo yung nagtrabaho sa isang company, di ba sa inyo, ngayon nyo na ma-realize na you have to have your own business or maging self-employed. Kasi you're learning new skills, new talents. Or, not actually learning your talent, but also improving your talents. And with the Knight of Pentacles, I think meron kang stable na plano for your career. Mas committed ka sa gusto mong subukan ngayon sa mga nagsisimula sa trabaho, sa career, sa business mo. Yun yung mo ngayon. Focus. And I think this is going to be stable para sa'yo sa career mo, sa income mo. Oo, magpapasok to ng stable na income for you. Sa love life naman, uy, Ten of Swords. Okay. So, yung iba sa inyo, Aries. Ay, okay, finally, haharapin nyo na yung nagtatapos sa relationship ninyo. Kasi yung iba in denial na hindi, okay pa kami, magagawan pa ng paraan yan. Pero kasi pag sobrang sakit na, tapos parang wala ka ng, hindi mo na siya mahagilap no? Yung iba sa inyo, hindi nyo na makasama, wala nang, iba wala nang pakialam sa inyo. So, kumbaga, bakit ka palalaban kung mag-isa ka na lang dyan sa labanan na yan, which is dapat kasi magkasama kayo, di ba? So, ito na yung panahon na para manindigan ka para sa sarili mo. Pagtanggol mo yung sarili mo, hindi naman kasi pwedeng lagi ka na lang, nahayaan mo na lang na i-take advantage ka ng iba. Dahil porket alam nila na you care for them. So, palaban ka na ngayon. Let's see what else. Oops, okay. Cavalier. So, meron ditong good news na parating. May good news. That's my scythe. So, meron ka talagang tatanggalin sa buhay mo. Ika-cut off na person. Oo. And I think mas magiging maingat ka sa mga bagong makikilala mo, no? Hindi ka kaagad-agad na mag-open sa kanila. Hindi ka kaagad magtitiwala. And you have Stork. Oh, this is about change. Major change coming in sa inyo. This makes sense kasi may death card dito. Death card is about transformation, change in your life. So, meron ding progress dito sa healing ninyo. So, you're healing from your past. Healing from your past. This makes sense, no? Ito rin yung sinabi ko sa inyo kanina. So, kana-clarify lang ng mga cards na lumabas. Na i-embrace mo yung mga new beginnings. At meron kang mga taong makikilala na talagang mga totoo sa'yo, na mga friends for keeps, kumbaga. So, this is an energy ng feminine energy. Female energy in your life. And I think, for some of you, if you are a lady, no, kung kayo feminine, possible that you will be meeting a person, no? This can be any type of connection, friendship, romantic connection, na kung saan parang magkakaroon kayo ng magandang relationship together kasi it seems like you will meet your soul family, no? Kumbaga, soulmate mo. Pwedeng romantic relationship, friendship. You are the joy seeker. O, hahanapin mo yung bagay na magpapasaya sa'yo. What little victories can you celebrate? Yes, you're going to celebrate small wins. Maliit man yan, still, that is one of the many reasons to celebrate life. Okay? So that is your reading, Aries. Thank you so much. Bye.